Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove LinkedIn from Gmail. If you've previously connected LinkedIn to your Google account and no longer want that integration active, this process will help you disconnect them completely and revoke LinkedIn's access to your Gmail data. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google account settings. Open your browser and head over to myaccount.google.com. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Google account, from security settings to privacy controls. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll be making the changes. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for and click on Security and Sign In. This section contains all the security-related settings for your account, including passwords, two-factor authentication, and importantly, the apps and services that have access to your account. Clicking this will open up a range of security options that help you control who and what can access your information. Now, scroll down through the security settings until you find a section labeled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. This is where Google keeps track of all external applications and services that you've granted permission to access your account data. Once you've located this section, click on See All Connections. This will display a comprehensive list of every third-party service currently connected to your Google account. In the list that appears, you'll need to find LinkedIn. Depending on how many services you've connected over time, this list might be quite long, so take your time scrolling through. Once you've located LinkedIn in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the detailed connection settings specifically for LinkedIn, showing you what permissions it has and what data it can access. Now comes the crucial step. You'll see an option that says Delete all connections that you have with LinkedIn. Click on this option. This action will prepare to remove all access permissions that LinkedIn currently has to your Gmail and Google account. It's important to understand that this will completely disconnect the two services, so any features that relied on this integration will no longer work. Google will ask you to confirm this action to make sure you really want to proceed. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Confirm. This finalizes the removal process and immediately revokes all of LinkedIn's access to your Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully removed LinkedIn from Gmail and severed the connection between these two services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.